Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make a quick video about the upcoming track event this coming Saturday at Bristol Motor Speedway, Street Fights. I plan to take my car with 134,000 miles down the track. Last time it was down the track it had around 60,000 miles and it ran at 1250 to 117. I don't know if it'll do that well this time. It's going to be hotter because the last time I had it down was in London, Kentucky, and it was around October. It's much cooler and a lower elevation. It's a little bit dirty. The engine bay is a lot more dirty, but I'm going to go ahead and show you that as well. Flexfuel. And that's really it. Kind of an overview. It's not much, but it is fine. This car actually it's fully bolted on. It's running ethanol around an E50 blend right at 350 horsepower. So it's pretty fun. The new clutch that I had put in, as I mentioned in my last video, it does really well. I had to do a little bit of work to it today. I was trying to adjust the clutch. It's either that or the slave cylinder, so hopefully I can figure that out between now and then. If not, I may not be able to do the track event. We'll just have to wait and see, and then I may have to wait until the next one. But as of right now, I took it for a test drive, and it seems to be, the clutch pedal seems pretty firm, and it seems like it's doing okay. So I'm crossing my fingers that I'll be able to take it down at least a couple times. Not really shooting for any best times or great times, but just shooting to have a good time. And in the next week, this week actually, I'm going to be posting a video from Import Alliance this past Saturday, and then next week probably the video from the track event if I'm able to make that event. I hope you all will continue to tune in for some more content. If you all have any suggestions, like as always, just let me know. Please subscribe, it's very helpful. Thank you all again. Have a great day.